Alright, well here she is. The Johnson Viking II in all its glory. This was gifted to me by Paul, W2JTD. Thank you, Paul. Greatly appreciate it. It's been working fine, man. They were both. He gave me two Viking IIs and a DX100. They had all been sitting for quite some time. This Viking II had a little bit of an issue. I kept losing plate current and grid current, and found a couple cold solder joints. But the big issue was, and also excessive mod current. The issue was the R13 at 20K wire wound resistor with the tap on it for setting mod current. Well, that was open, and with the help of Clark and one BCG, we put our heads together and we're able to figure it out. And so I'm pretty happy with the way it came out. I like the way it sounds. Puts out a full 100 watts of carrier, peaking around 450 watts. So it's doing just over 100% modulation. It does have a somebody modified it and put a 12AX7 in here. So but it seems to be working just fine. All right, well, take care. 7-3 W3 MMR.